Well, I'm going to speak for both of us.
No comment.
Whew, listen. So for
Yeah,
me,
yeah.
I have been fortunate, where I've faced some adversity, but nothing like what I have seen this man go through. Oh my gosh! When I tell
Oh
you
yeah.
this, like seriously, this man. When we ended up on this side, because I'm from the shore, I'm from the Jersey Shore, I'm from Asbury Park. He grew up in Newark and East Orange. So we met, we
Right.
married. He got this job that moved us out this way. And they begged this man, like, look, we want you. They wanted him to be a super. They begged us to
Mm,
come out here because I was going to school and working. And my husband came home and was like, look, they really want me on the property, because that's part of the job. You're the super, you have to live here. And we get there 6 months later, they tell this man he's not qualified to do his job. Like, what?
ooh.
Like, are you serious? Like, and it's
Wow.
almost like, the things they said, the things they done. When I tell you, oh my gosh, I can't, you cannot make it up. The things that this man has been through as a man,
Yeah.
and it must be like, I pray for him constantly. We have gone through so much with the adversity that he
Mm-hmm.
faces on these jobs. Like, I mean,
Yeah.
words can't even describe what we've gone through. The one lady asked my husband if he could read. What was the one? And it's almost like it's a 2-year curse or something. It's like 2 or 3 years. It's like, oh, you got to go, and they can never give any real explanation because he shows up for work. He's always on time. You cannot make this man miss.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I had to literally tell him, like, honey, that's what PTO is for. Maybe you should take the day off. You know, I have
Uh,
to really make like, you know what I'm saying? Like, he goes above and beyond, but he's always been a dreamer. Always been a dreamer. Always been striving
right.
for greater. That's not been my story. I've always, I came from a family, we worked, and that's how you got ahead. But he's
Right.
always been a dreamer, and you know, having gone through all the transition, and then um, our ministry has made a big impact on our life. Where our
Mm-hmm.
apostle pushes us, as he's like, look, you got to get a business, you got to have something with your name on it, because like, he really
Right.
pushes that. And
Okay.
finally, after being under our leadership for, I guess, about almost 5 years with them as well, we're finally on the same page, because I see and I know that it's so much deeper than just, it really is a spiritual battle that we face every day.
Yeah.
And when you're
Absolutely.
working under these people, they have this idea that they've given you something. But just like Christ said, I have the power to lay my life down and pick it up. And it's the same thing in the work environment. You're not giving me anything that God didn't ordain. So I just feel like at this point, we've come to this place because we had to be here. We're late getting here, with a long
Amen.
time coming, but we're here now.